This is a little coffee maker I inherited from a colleague of mine who upgraded to something fancier, and he said he got it on Amazon. It's a bit scratched up. I tried to clean it up, put some of my favorite Japanese stickers and famous artist here, Nara. And all you do, it's very simple to operate. You just fill up this gasket that goes and snaps in the back. See if I can do this with one hand here. There you go, not even looking at it. And then you put your cup in here, and you flip this thing up, put in your pod, snap it in place, push it down, and then press the warm up button. And when that button goes green, you are ready to go. And this makes fantastic coffee. I've had it for years. I can't say enough good things about this, really. I think it does everything you need. If you're into the pod system, then this will do you just fine. Nothing fancier is required, in my humble opinion. And there you go. It's already green. So let's press play. And gradually, when this starts to go a little bit clear, that's when I turn it off. Recommend.